Bollywood has a trait these days of making biopics, and the most challenging thing in doing a biopic is choosing an actor who will do justice to the hero on which the biopic is made. And one such biopic is 83, the movie 83, which is a biopic of Kapil Dev, and the lead role is done by Ranveer Singh. We thought it would be interesting to analyze these two people, and is Ranveer really the right actor to play the role of Kapil Dev? Welcome to this episode of Graphology Insights. My name is Vineet Bansode. I am a graphologist, a coach, a TEDx speaker, and also the founder of the Graphology Research Institute, which is founded almost 20 years back now. We have certified more than 4,500 graphologists, and we have together analyzed more than 1 lakh signatures. When we talk about this movie 83, we are showing you the signatures of Kapil Dev and Ranveer Singh. The first very striking trait about Kapil Dev's signature is you can see the K very clearly. And similarly, if you see Ranveer's signature, you will also see the R very clearly. When the first initial is clear, the person has good clarity in understanding things. Like Kapil was very sure about what he will do and what he will not do, or what is the right strategy and what is the wrong strategy. And both the people have the same kind of thing in the signature. Like Kapil Dev has the K clear and Ranveer has the R clear. So their clarity about understanding is very, very high. Second trait is, if you see Kapil Dev's signature, the signature goes up. That means the person was very optimistic, was looking forward to good things in life, wanted to achieve something, want to grow something. And if you see Ranveer's signature also, it also goes up. So he's also very progressive and very growth oriented and very optimistic. Third trait is, if you see Kapil Dev's signature, the signature is done with a lot of pressure. When a person writes with a lot of pressure, he has a lot of energy. He doesn't get tired. He will spend a lot of time on his fitness, and he's also very adventurous and courageous. And if you see Ranveer's signatures and energy, when it comes to energy, Ranveer is the best example of how much physical energy a person can put in whatever work he is doing. So Ranveer also signs with a lot of energy or a lot of pressure, and that is why he is the right candidate, or is the right actor to play Kapil Dev on screen. And the fourth trait that we saw common in both the signature is the eye dotting. If the eye dotting is good, that means these people are good at observation skills. These people are good in fine details, or these people are good in reading it between the lines, or their intuition is very high. And both these people, when they sign, the eye dotting is very, very nice, and that makes them eligible. That makes Ranveer eligible to play Kapil Dev's role on the screen. Fifth thing is, if you see the slant of the signature, when somebody writes tilting on the right side, that actually means that the person is very communicative. And now communication is very important in leadership. When you're talking about a team, you should be a good communicator to motivate the team, to understand what the team needs, to be able to connect and talk to every team member. And Kapil Dev was a very good communicator. He could give feedback and he could also motivate his team members. And if you see Ranveer's signature also, it is also on the right side, and is also expressive. So good communication, expressive, storytelling, motivating, these are the traits. So these were the small analysis of these two people, and we thought it is interesting that how Ranveer will give justice to this great biopic which is coming soon on in Bollywood, and the name of the movie is 83. Thank you for watching this episode of Graphology Insights. We have also created a lot of videos on graphology. Please visit our channel, subscribe and like. And also there is a detailed video about what is graphology and how it can help you. Thank you for watching this episode of Graphology Insights. My name is Vineet Bansode.